Oh boy, we're literally driving into the clouds. What? Yes, that is a 10-meter Yagi-Boom you see in my car. So that's not fog. If you see it's blue down there, we've literally just driven into the cloud. I'm going up to 8,200 feet here in Nevada. But hopefully it'll warm up and these clouds will scoot on by or get a little bit higher because the visibility is going to be poor up here. Greetings, I'm Bobby, W6IWN. Today I'm on a SOTA summit at 8,200 feet. The summit is Whiskey 7 November stroke Whiskey Charlie 011. It's also in a POTA park, US 4391. And I've brought my 10-meter 3-element Yagi. I've been waiting all week at work, just dreaming of doing this. I had a lot of fun last weekend. Unfortunately, up here at 8,200 feet today, I'm literally in a cloud. I don't know if you can notice or not, but the winds are just ripping. So fingers crossed, maybe this cloud will blow over and the winds will slow down. What I have here is my Spiderbeam's 12-meter mast. This is actually a Yagi I got off Amazon. Believe it or not, I'll post links below. I think I got it for like $169 or something. You can get the 4-element for like $12 more. So for the price and the build quality of it, I'm pretty surprised actually. So enough talking about this antenna. Let's get it set up and try to get on the air and hope 10 meters is open today. We got it set up and boy is it windy out here. I am starting to hear some DX. The bands aren't super hot. It's not as high as I'd like to get it. I was going up higher but the winds are just too strong right now. Hopefully they'll die down, but as you can see we are higher than the clouds right now. The cloud that was sitting on us blew off, but we're up here 8,200 feet. I'm going to start shooting northeast and see what happens here. And hopefully this wind doesn't blow this Yagi over. SOTA POTA with a Yagi.